Today unboxing is on the latest Tomica TLV, the pair of Mitsubishi Pajero, this time with a roof rack, and also a new series, the Diorama Collection 64, which includes this mini figurine that's now very popular among collectors. I'm also slowly getting into minifigs as well, and there will be some significant changes to my Instagram page on how I usually post in the coming weeks. And now let's take a closer look at the Mitsubishi Pajero. This 94 Pajero more or less shares the similar specs as the previous release. This time it includes a roof rack and also a similar self-installation mirror. Same striking details as the previous Pajero release, very realistic front with chrome parts, definitely a very impressive casting, with a very realistic wheel set. Thankfully side mirror is installed except the one you have to install yourself. On the rear, the spare wheels is realistic, not a big fan of chrome parts, but I think TLV nails it. The roof rack is very realistic and spacious. You definitely can add some accessories onto the Pajero for more fun. And I really like the overall body color and presentation of this Pajero. The wheel set rolls perfect, and with the appropriate diorama, the Pajero is going to look perfect in photo shoot. Next, the new series, the Diorama Collection 64. Immediately you can see the box content and the Pajero. Behind there's a setting of the mini diorama with a nature background. On the Tomica Mini Car IG page, that's the official page for TLV. So to follow, in total it consists of 9 parts including the Pajero. It shows you the instruction for simple assembly for the tent, and also the self-installation mirror guide, best to shoot in a nature setting. Small parts such as the paddock and the icebox add to the realism of the whole setting. Alright, the content is out from the package. Let's skip it to the Tomicarama parking lot for now. Meanwhile, I get some tree line and grass, and I'll attempt a landscaping background which I never tried before. Same specs as the previous Pajero, but this time it comes in white body color. It's a very clean and highly detailed casting, identical realistic spare wheels, similar chrome parts, and it looks clean and sleek in a combination of white and silver body color, and highly detailed front, which is the taken for TLV. The paddock is a nice touch, then the icebox that adds to the fun, realistic fireplace, a lady enjoying her coffee, and also the pair of standing figurines. For your info, the tent is comprises of very loose parts. Took me a while to set it up, so some blue tack may help, but overall it's a very nice release. I will try to attempt some landscaping during my free time, and I'll share the photo in YouTube, including my Instagram. More TLV unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!